channel, and in today's video we have another handbag unboxing, and this time is from Christian Dior, and it's my first handbag from Christian Dior, guys. If you like unboxing videos, handbags, luxury, lifestyle, fashion, this is the right place for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and be part of my family, guys. Hit that red subscribe button right here. And of course, without further ado, we're gonna do the unboxing. Again, Dior doesn't fail to amaze me with their packaging. It's always the best. Actually, among the luxury brand, Dior is always making the best effort, aside from like a very clean paper bag. And then you have a beautiful ribbon here with really gold prints, and they always have this beautiful, you can use this one as Christmas tree decoration later on, guys. It says Dior. So their packaging is really nice, and they always spray their favorite perfume and always smells goods and locks, and they always put paper which is always a plus. And inside we have here the box, guys. And again, look at this, they don't really they use a lot of ribbon, make the unboxing experience better and more exciting. So without further ado, we're gonna open this beauty, guys. Look at this, it's so pristine. I did not pick on it, I did not open it, so it's really an exciting unboxing. I already seen this one in the store, guys, but so far I did not open it yet. So I'm such a good girl, I did not pick it yet. So you have the sticker here. Whew. And I have here the dust bag. So as you can see, it's actually quite a small bag actually. So dust bag, and I have here, this is the, and I'm so proud to introduce my first ever Dior handbag. This is called the Caro Pouch. So it's in a beautiful calfskin leather. The leather, guys, I wish you are here next to me, so that you can feel it's such a buttery soft leather. And then the puffy is so soft, it's like a cotton bouncing. And then the color is a beautiful caramel color. It's beige caramel color. For me, this is a perfect neutral color, and with gold hardware CD logo here in the front. And this is how it looks like. So it just looks like a pouch. And then here on the side, this is how it looks like. It's expandable, very soft as well. And the back, this is how it looks like. And then the bottom, very soft. And then on the top, you have 3 compartments right there. You have the zipper pull, and then you have a leather here. Look at the details of the zipper, guys. Look at that. It's also with a CD logo here. It's super cute. It's very lax. And you have a leather pull here. And then the 3 compartments inside the first compartment is also lined with a calfskin leather. And also the same thing here. And then inside, by the way, this is considered as the wallet and chain, because you have card slots here. And then you also have the strap right here. And then you have card compartment 1, 2, 3 cards compartment here, and also 3 here, so you can really fit 6 cards in there. And let's open up the this is also a selling point on me, guys, because of this very special chain. Look at the chain. It's really a real gold hardware. It looks like a 24 karat plated hardware. And look at the details. I'm so amazed. It's really amazing, Look at this. This is the clasp. And then you have here the chain. The same CD logo. Oh my god, it's so cute. And then here in between, you have a chain like that and like that. And look at that. I am really amazed with the chain. I really love it. You can even use this one as a necklace as well. Look at that. And this attach the handbag. So by the way, you have a double purpose for this one. You can also do as a clutch like this. It's really nice, guys. I really love to just like, you know, an easy go clutch. That's why it's one of the reasons that I really buy this one, because I have so many wallet on chain, but like, you know, most of the chain is like undetachable, and this one is detachable, which is like really a plus. And then here on the side you have here the D-ring where you can connect your flash. And here, let's connect on the other side. I'm sorry guys, it's so hot here. My aircon is not really working. So like, as you can see, I'm sweating like crazy right now. But I need to film this video. So this is how it looks like with the chain. Size-wise, I really consider that they are like, you know, very close to my Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch, 18. Look at this. The height is like almost the same. Very small like difference, guys. By the way, this one is filled. It's full of my things. So yeah, this is how it looks like in the front. And then we do like this. It's really small difference, guys. Very small, because you cannot even see right here. And then on the side, actually, because this one is still flat because it's empty, but you can expand them all the way. Look at this. So I think it's really the same size. And since this one is very soft, it's like, you know, more stretchy, more expandable. And then here, and this one here is like, you know, you can also like, it's a big opening as well. So, and the design also very similar, but the difference is this one have no chain and this one goes with a chain, guys. And I also compare this one with my Chanel wallet on chain. So this is how it looks like. So obviously this is taller than the wallet on chain, like that. And width is like, you know, oh, it's just the same as the wallet on chain, Chanel. And then on the side, also really similar, but this one is more softer, so it's more expandable. So like, you know, compared to a wallet on chain, it's really like quite bigger. So obviously we can fit more in this. So let's find out what can fit in here. So mostly here I can put my cards, but if I'm lazy to take out my cards and put it inside, I can bring my card holder. And the rest is like, you know, like the money over there, you know, I can also bring like that. So I have here my Louis Vuitton key pouch. Perfectly can fit in there in the inside compartment, like that. Of course, I can also bring like my car key and my alcohol. Obviously I can fit more because there are more space right here. So my cell phone can, like, you know, like iPhone 13 can really fit in here perfectly. It's a little bit squeezed, but like, you know, it can fit perfectly. So yeah, I'm so happy that I have this one. Price wise, this is retail for 2,020 US dollar. For a wallet on chain, it's not that bad because, like, you know, it's since it's like full leather and even the lining is leather, you know, it's not that bad. And then, like, you know, like the strap also, the chain also is like detachable, and you can use this one with your other handbags. It's very versatile. And another thing I have here, like another chain, like a shorter chain. Like, you know, I prefer carrying this bag with a shorter chain. It's really cool, guys. That is my perfect like way of wearing this handbag. As a shoulder bag, it's a little bit longer because, like, you know, this is my waistline and this is where the handbag sits on me. But crossbody is just like so perfect because for me, this is the most comfortable height on my body. So by the way, my height is like, you know, 154 cm. So I'm a petite lady, guys. I'm just small. So this chain is just perfect for that. For me, I'm so happy with the length and it's very comfortable. As you can see, you know, I can like run errands and just like so comfortable with this handbag. also the plus is like because it's detachable, so you can really play around with the strap, like you know, you can change the strap all the time and change the look of the handbag. And the strap itself also, you can use it with your other handbag. So for me, that is very, very versatile. So first impression, like you know, I highly, highly recommend it to you guys. So let me know your thoughts about this handbag. Do you think, you know, you like it, you hate it, or like, you know, so like just let me know your thoughts. So comment down below. I would be very, very happy that, you know, I'm gonna communicate with you. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for the love and support. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, see you till the next video. Bye!